Okay, first impressions. The sawdust that I put on there, the man glitter. I put it on there to show that another person out there had a video of one of these, and they said they're changing the wings because the wings might make it heavier, so it'll do that. I adjust all 6 feet on this, and it's level concrete, as level as concrete can be. And there's little or no vibration. This thing is quiet. The fence system, this is the Professional 2 SAWSTOP with the Jessam feed wheels. I'm not sure exactly the name of it, but I'm sure someone in the comments will let me know. This is the 1.5 horsepower motor that comes off the back with the dust collection plate. The dust collection, I'm told, has to be higher than 350 or 450 CFM so it doesn't build up inside the saw. I built that from somebody else that made one of these on YouTube. But the overall first impressions, quiet. I have to tell you, I was really skeptical about spending the money to get this saw. And turns out that all the items that I'm putting together and adjusting, I had a Craftsman Professional Contractor saw, not the job saw, but the contractor saw, and same horsepower. This thing is worth it, not to mention the computer that's going to save all your digits. Anyway, let me know what you think. Also, keep in mind, this is the most upgradable saw. You can upgrade the fence system, the T-Glide system, to 3 different items. I guess the short of 30 inches when you buy it, you can get the 30-inch extension, you can get the 36-inch extension, you can get the 52-inch extension. So the wheels you can not get them. You can get the better fence, you can get the heavier wings, which I didn't get yet. Very upgradable, very safe, very much accurate. The accuracy on this thing it's incredible. It's all of what you do with it. So there it is, folks. Hope you enjoyed.